Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing quantifiers. Quantifiers are words or phrases used to talk about quantities, amounts, or degree. They help us say how much or how many of something we have. Let's take a look at some common quantifiers and see how they work with countable and uncountable nouns. Many. We use many with plural countable nouns to express a large number of things. It's often used in questions and negative sentences, but can also be used in positive sentences. For example, how many books do you have? I don't have many pencils. Much. We use much with uncountable nouns to express a large amount of something, like many. It is commonly used in questions and negative sentences, but less often in positive sentences. For example, how much water did you drink? I don't have much time left. A few. A few is used with plural countable nouns to express a small number. It has a positive meaning, suggesting that there are enough of something. For example, we stayed a few days in Florence. A little. A little is used with uncountable nouns to express a small amount. It has a positive meaning, suggesting there is enough of something. For example, there's a little milk left in the fridge. Some. Some is used with both countable and uncountable nouns to express an unspecified quantity. It is often used in positive sentences and sometimes in offers or requests. For example, I bought some apples. Could I have some water, please? Enough. Enough is used with both countable and uncountable nouns to indicate a sufficient quantity or amount. It means you have as much as is necessary. For example, I have enough chairs for everyone. There's enough food for the party. A lot of. A lot of is used with both countable and uncountable nouns to express a large quantity or amount. It's commonly used in positive sentences and is more informal. For example, she has a lot of books. There's a lot of sugar in this recipe. Several. Several is used with plural, countable nouns to express more than two, but not too many. It indicates a small but significant number. For example, he bought several gifts for his friends. A great deal of. A great deal of is used with uncountable nouns to express a large amount or quantity. It emphasizes a significant level of something. For example, she has a great deal of experience in this field. A large number of. A large number of is used with plural countable nouns to express a significant quantity. It indicates that there are many items or individuals. For example, there were a large number of people at the event. A large amount of. A large amount of is used with uncountable nouns to express a significant quantity. It indicates that there is a lot of something that cannot be counted individually. For example, she donated a large amount of money to the charity. Plenty of. Plenty of is used with both countable and uncountable nouns to indicate a sufficient quantity or amount, often suggesting that there is more than enough. For example, there are plenty of seats available. We have plenty of time to finish the project. And that wraps up our exploration of quantifiers. Now you have a clearer understanding of how to use them effectively in your sentences. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative.